Hello, geta name me Donald. Welcome long Zenag house cook, where by you me cook him sample nice plus simple kai kai using Zenag products. Zenag you me sawe some emino one plan new plan name and one plus big plus household brand where you will get grow up on them. And over 75 years, all working all nice plus chicken and eggs and quality na taste blong you yet you sawe nice thread. Alright, bayi na to plenty, bayi me go straight, let me start to cook.
Now bayi me walk him chili chicken one pot using Zenag kai kai. Display all ingredients now by you me use him long cook. Okay, bayi me go inside now, you may start frying all onion bayi me over medium heat. Lily oil me put him to go inside, so you may fry more all onion bayi me time only come up soft. Bayi me add him in all tomato bloomy and all capsicum too go inside. After the disla, you just add him in tomato paste blue, want them water. So once you add him in water blue now, you just let him in by just tapos him then by simmer lick, add him in ginger and garlic blue too. Add him chicken powder blue and stir. After the disla, just add him all the chicken pieces to go inside, so that them cook inside long sauce. Pass him lid so that cooking process by hurry up. Now you can look him, I'm ready now. Just add him lick salt na pepper to salt or just boost in flavor. After the disla, you can just add him lick or spring onions can go on top. Now you can start long serve now. Okay, now you can look him now. Me okla serve him man. Nice black color blem, smell blong him na. Ay, me yar lo to kem. Avocado bag on top too, so me man blow kai avocado. Misa puti lemon, salt and pepper. Now this la avocado sa go good yet one them la chicken So yes, as now you can look him and it be lasting good one them water crust can lo side. Now enjoy. Now no can listen thing lo tambo blue sharing is caring.
Add lo tok toda. Islam Zenag kai kai want them tomato base want them avocado you plan lo try. Zenag kai kai meatier, tastier, juicier.